Okay, so look, there is a dot just in the middle of circle. What do you think? What is it called?
It's called where it all started. Like, how did you say in one
Yes.
word
Uh-huh.
how it
It is called center. Center of the circle. What is it called?
center
Center
of
of the
the
circle.
circle?
So this thingy is called center of the circle. Now, can you see the boundary of the circle? These walls of the circle. Do you know what is it called? For other shapes, for other shapes. We are not talking about the circle. Other shapes, the boundary or the outer layer, you can say. The outer layer of other shapes, it is called as perimeter. What is it called?
Perimeter.
Perimeter. Yes. But for circles only, this is called circumference. What is it called? It's called circumference.
Circumference.
Yes. For other shapes, the same thing if I'll be using, it will be called as perimeter. We will learn about that, how to find the area, perimeter, blah, blah, blah. But for circles, it is completely different. The boundary or the outer layer of the circle is called as circumference. Is it clear?
Yes.
So this middle part is called center of the circle, and the boundary of the circle is called circumference. Now look one more thing. Suppose if this is the center of the circle, and I just draw a line to the circumference. So if we connect center to the circumference, so if it's like this, or if it's connected like this, or if it's like this, or if it's like this, it's called a radius of the circle. What is it called? Radius of the circle.
Radius.
And how do we show it? We show it with small r. The symbol of the radius is small r. Whenever we write radius,
I
we
think
usually use small r. Huh?
360 is like the whole thing,
Yes,
and 180 is half.
exactly. But this is not the half, by the way. Half is this. When a line divides the circle into two equal parts, that line is called as diameter. Now this is dividing the circle into half, and this is called diameter. It is denoted by small d. So three important things: circumference of the circle, radius of the circle, and diameter of the circle. And if you look closely, Ayan, can you see anything common in radius and diameter?
I don't know. Wait,
No idea. Can I say diameter is exactly double of radius?
radius is only half of the line, and diameter is only full.
Yeah, exactly. So that means diameter is double. Diameter is twice the radius. And according to that, what is radius? It is half of diameter. So radius is half of diameter. So it means if radius is given, you can find the diameter of the circle. And if diameter is given, you can just half it and you can get the radius of the circle. For example, if I'll say, let's say diameter is given as 50 centimeters. So can you tell me the radius? As the radius is half of
Diameter
that
is
50 centimeters. Diameter is given as 50 centimeters. So what will be the value of radius? Radius is half of the diameter.
uh, 25 centimeters.
Very good. And this is how we will exactly use these information. In some questions, you'll be getting the radius, they'll be asking you the diameter. In some question, you'll be getting the diameter, they'll be asking you the radius. And then we'll keep doing that. But for now, I hope you'll remember these. Okay? Yeah. I'll share it. Okay, I'll just send the revision sheet. But yeah, please do remember this. Okay.
All right.